In this video, we'll learn how to plot data on a map using Microsoft Excel. At times, we want to use geographical map in our reports and presentations to make our data more visually appealing and easy to interpret. For example, say in your report, you want to highlight the states where your particular project is ongoing. Now, using a map will not only look very clean, but at the same time, it will also help your audience easily understand the geographical location of your project. Now, you can use a world map or map of some specific country or even a state or province within a country depending upon your requirement. This is an example of a nation map. Now this data shows the states where my project is ongoing. For example, I have my project operational in Jammu and Kashmir, Haryana, then Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, West Bengal, Odisha, Maharashtra, and so on. So now you can see that this map differentiates between the states where my project is ongoing and the states where my project is not operational. Now in this case, I have two categories. One which is my project state and the other which is not my project state. So the value ranges from 0 to 1. I assign the value 1 for all my project states and the non-project states take the value as 0. So whenever you want to plot your data on a map, always ensure that you assign different values. Now it need not be 1, you can also assign 5. Now I can make all the ones as 5. And you can see the map doesn't change. So you can assign any value and plot your data. Now let's learn how to create this map. Let me first delete the map that I've created. For example, this is my data. First, what we'll do is select the data, go to insert and then all charts, click on map, click on OK. And that's it. Excel will automatically create your map highlighting the information that you have given. Now we can also give our map a title. For example, say this is my India map, and you can also format the map if you wish to, like you can select these templates whichever you want to use. I usually prefer the default template. You can also change the color if you wish to. Now you have this different color palettes that you can use. Now this is an example how you can create a country map. Now you can similarly plot various countries on a world map using the same procedure. So Excel by default will try to locate all your information and provide you a map. Now if I want to show my information on a world map, I can use that as well. For that we can format our map. Now to format our map, let's double click on the map. Now go to map area. Now here you can see there are multiple options. Now if I click on the world option, so in this case my data would be represented on a world map. If I zoom in, you can see my project states are highlighted. But as per my information, it is better if I focus only on the Indian map. So you can select the automatic option. But yeah, if you want to show some information on the world map, then you can select the option accordingly. I can also change the color from here. Click on series color. So in this case, project value takes the maximum value and the non-project is assigned the minimum value. So if I want to change my minimum value color to say yellow and my maximum value to say black, so I can do that. And then you can use this map in your reports and presentation. So this is how you can easily create maps using Excel. So another variation to this map is, now let's say I have an extra set of information. For example, I also want to show states where my project will be operational in future. Say my project will be operational in Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Now what I can do is I can assign a different value, say 2 to these states and change the color palette. So the minimum value, say I use orange and let this be the default black color. So now you can see three informations are being plotted in this map and the data for this three information ranges from 0 to 2, and for the minimum value we have dark orange color while the maximum value takes a black color, and we also have three categories to show. So what Excel does is the information is being depicted using a gradient of color which changes from dark orange to black color. Similarly, I can create as many categories as I wish to, and the information will be depicted using a gradient of color. But whenever you have multiple categories, there might be slight variation in colors, and therefore it might be difficult to interpret. That's it for this video. Hope you learned something new. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you liked the video, then don't forget to smash the like button and share the video with your friends and colleagues. Also, please feel free to use the comment section below to let me know what more you would like to learn in the upcoming videos. Till then, thanks again for watching this video, and do check out the channel for more such contents.